Hello everyone, welcome to Edutainer. In this lecture, we will be completing the friend function. So let's start. C++ friend function. A friend function of a class is defined outside the class scope, but has the right to access all private and protected members of the class. So a friend function is defined outside the class scope, but it has the right to access all the private and the protected member of the class. A friend can be a function or a member function or a class, in which case the entire class and all of its members are friends. So the friend function is a function in which it can access all the classes or all the members and the functions of the class, which are also known as their friends. Friend keyword is used. So we will be writing the friend keyword for defining a friend function, where a friend keyword is a reserved keyword, so you cannot have a variable naming as a friend. So let's move to code blocks to have the code. So let's start coding. So over here we have included the header files. Now I will be creating a class as a box, in which I will be creating integer, naming a variable as width. So by default, in a class, all the access modifiers are in private. So I will be writing public over here because I will be showing you it can access both the private and the public one. So public, I will be writing as friend function. I'm using the friend keyword, friend void print width. So this function will be helping us to print the width. So I will be writing box, this is a class, then I will be writing the variable object. So this is the object. Okay, so I have defined the friend function over here. Now I will be defining another member function, that is void set width, that will be helping us to set the width, integer width. Okay, so now I will be defining the function, that is the void function, void set width. So I will be defining the void box, that is a class. Using a scope resolution, I will be writing set width one, and that will be integer width. Okay, inside this I will be writing that width is equal to vid. Okay, now I will be writing void print. I will be initializing the friend function, that is print width. Box and the object name. Okay, it can directly access the variables whether it's private or public of the above class. So I will be writing cout width of the box dot width, end of the line. Okay, so now I will be creating the main function integer main over here. In this I will be making class and the object that we have created. I have created the object. Now I will be using the object. I will be putting the values of the set width like 10. Okay, now I will be using the friend function to print. Over here it is not a part of a class, so I won't be using the object to call the friend function. I will be just directly writing print width, and I will be just mentioning the object b1. Okay, this. So we are done with the friend function right now. So you can see that first of all we have initialized with, that is a private, then the public, because we need this thing to be a public. I have defined a friend function over here, that is a print with class and the object void set with in which that is the member function, in which it has the values of integer width So after this is the closing of the class. So after that I will be initializing the functions. First of all is a void box. This is the calling using a scope resolution. Through classes I will be setting the set width. Okay, so here it is accessing the private one and putting the values in width. So void print width, it will be printing, so see out width of the box. I have created the main function over here and I have created the object box b1. I will be setting b1.setWidth, passing the arguments 10, and I will be printing with b1. Okay, so let's compile and run the program. My object was b1, so I'll be writing b1.width. So you can see using the friend function I have accessed the private one. The width of the box is 10. So the friend function can access private and also the protected one. In public everyone can access the public one. So the friend function can also access the protected as well as the private. Thank you.